Hey guys, it's Drea. So today I have a little bit of a throwback for you. Throwback to my own channel way back in the day. A series that I used to do that I kind of gave up on in the last year or so. But I kind of want to resurrect it a little bit. This is called Bought It, Forgot It. So essentially this is a way to review products that have kind of been languishing in my collection, that have just been kind of sitting around, not getting any love, to the point where I kind of forget, you know, the formula on them, forget how they work, forget if I even like them. Some of them, like, I've forgotten if I've even used them before. So I really wanted to kind of bring this back. It's gotten to the point where I did a declutter on my channel, and I decluttered everything. Well, not everything. I decluttered a lot of stuff, and I kind of knew everything that was left, I thought. So I didn't want to continue doing this series at that point because there was really nothing in my collection that I really thought that I didn't know how it worked and exactly what my opinion on it was. So I really had to wait a while to kind of bring it back, and now I have found myself a few times going, oh, I don't remember, do I like that? Or, oh, I don't even remember if I've tried that. I don't remember if I like that or how it works. So I thought I would bring the series back. So that's enough of an intro. I'm going to show you the products that I will be using. It's probably going to be for the next month. It might be a little bit longer. Not sure. I'm not going to put an exact time period on it, but there will be an update at the end, and I will fully review these products after using them multiple times over the next month. So the first one is what is on my eyes today. Well, not what's on my lid, but the rest of it, all the mattes. This is the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette. I had actually purchased this over 2 months ago, and when I do my Shop My Stash, usually when I'm shopping my stash, I have a little box kind of similar to this one here, and it's where all the new stuff is, and I'm supposed to grab from there first so I remember to use it. Well, the last 2 times I've shopped my stash, completely blanked on opening that box and like actually using stuff from that box. So after the last Shop My Stash where I forgot again, I thought, okay, this is getting ridiculous. I need to start actually using this palette. So I pulled it out today, and this is the first time I'm using it. So far, so good. I think the colors are really pretty. It's obviously supposed to be a dupe for the Modern Renaissance, or not so much like a dupe, maybe just like a, you know, an homage to it. So I'm definitely interested in continuing to try this out more and like just see how much I like the formula, see if it's gonna last on my eyes, all that great stuff. Next is this. This is a foundation. I don't even know why I kept it in my last foundation declutter, honestly, because I never used this. Like, I think I bought this and I've never used it once. Now, I used to use it, like way back when. But this is the Covergirl CG Smoothers Hydrating Makeup. This is in the shade Buff Beige. So this, I believe, is more of like a BB cream, CC cream type product. Let's just kind of swatch it and see. Well, it's fairly thick. If I blend it out of my hand. Well, it looks like it's not bad coverage, but yeah, it looks like it's probably more like a BB cream or CC cream type level coverage there. I don't know why I'm smelling it. But anyways, so I really want to see that and see if, like, does this even work on oily skin? I don't know. But I remember liking it way back when. So, you know, hopefully I'll like it again. Okay, next thing is this. This is from The Ordinary. I did use this a couple times. Wasn't all that impressed, I remember, but if you ask me now, like, to review it, I couldn't really tell you, so I kind of want to remember more. This is the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. What it says right on it is High Adherence Blurring Surface Smoother and Primer. So The Ordinary is a company that does skincare. They are a Canadian company. They do skincare very, very, very cheaply. They made a huge splash last year when they kind of launched at Sephora, and this was not expensive. I think it was only like $5. It says on it, uses the last step in skincare, either on its own or as a makeup primer. I've never used it just on its own, like on a no makeup day. I might try that too, just to kind of be able to give you guys a full review on it. I mean, if a primer comes along and it's $5 and it ends up being amazing, that would be fantastic. Okay, so next is this. I did use up an entire one of these, probably 2 years ago. And I repurchased this last December, and I haven't really used this at all since then. So this is the e.l.f. Under Eye Setting Powder. I did use it the other day one time, and I took the stopper out of it. It usually has a stopper in it. I remembered that I really don't like using it with the stopper because the stopper has such tiny little holes in it, you really can't get any product out. So I like to take it off and then just dip my brush like directly into it. It does make a humongous mess. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, but anyway, that's what I did, and I want to just continue to use that maybe I can like use it up by the end of the month. I don't know. We'll see if I really love it. And then the next thing is what's on my lips right now. This is from Essence. This is the Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. So it's like more than a lip gloss. It's very ultra pigmented. I don't know that I love the way it feels initially on my lips, but I will like wear it for, you know, an all day thing or till it wears off type thing. Long lasting creamy lip gloss for velvet matte lips. Does not dry out the lips, high coverage. It's definitely high coverage. Definitely is not drying out my lips, but that's because it's not matte, you know, like it says matte, but you guys, it's shiny. Like, is it not? You can see a shine on my lips. I don't know why companies do that. All right, so that is everything that is gonna be in my Bought It, Forgot It for next month. And like I said, not sure exactly when I will bring you the update, but you will see it if you subscribe, so definitely do that. And yeah, I encourage you guys to participate in this along with me. Out of your collection, if there's a couple things, 2 or 3, doesn't have to be a lot, just pull them out and kind of try using them over the next month. When I used to do this series, there were definitely times where I pulled in products that I didn't anticipate loving and they became absolute holy grails. So it's a really fun thing to do when you forget about something and then just kind of revisit it. So I hope that you'll play along with me. Let me know if you do, what products you'll be using over the next month, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. What was that?